By the way, guys, we're just starting here. Okay. Any marks? You set? Goat!
No.
Oh, okay. I guess we're going.
Okay, so you done me a 15-minute maximum.
Yes.
And I can do this in 11 minutes, so I'm sure you can as well. And you can say the rest of the 4 minutes. Goodbye.
Oh, how in the world did you fall right there?
As soon as someone falls me I'm going to follow you, my child. Wait, am I recording? I'm not recording.
Just carry on recording from where you are. Or we can just carry on recording my video and then just start recording yours afterwards, if you know what I mean.
No, I've just recorded.
Oh, okay, okay.
Hello, peeps. Today I'm recording with Lily. Fun time. Hashtag one of my besties. And
Yes.
today...
Playing Tower of Hell Easy Racing.
Yes, and
So far, I'm winning because, he fell.
she fell, and if you went onto Lily's channel, then you'll obviously see... Oh, I can't speak anymore. And you'll obviously see that I fell on the easiest jump in the world.
Channel linked below.
Yes.
Oh, wait, are you actually going to link it below?
Yes, I will link your channel below because you're one of my besties.
Or you could just type my channel below.
Yeah.
My channel's
I
just
mean,
really fun time, okay?
Yeah, and then if you want to follow her and me, go follow Gummy Unicorn 001 for me and Lily Funtime 88 for Lily.
Mhm.
And also, we're not going to say actual names. We're just going to go by our first names. So I'm obviously going to be called Skelly.
Also, follow my TikTok account. I have one which is the Holy Adverts. Get your beans. One's the Holy Adverts, get your beans. And the other one is Roblox_Lily1Smith.
You have to watch the Beans advert because we laughed our heads off.
You have to like the Beans advert because
I wasted all my time just to get my health low.
fun fact, it has like 4 likes now.
Okay, that's not bad, honestly.
And like whenever I'm crying in my videos, I get like 20 likes.
Because they think that you're actually crying and they feel bad for you.
True. Very true.
And then there's me. Guys, I haven't slept properly for the last 2-3 weeks. I don't know what to do. I think I should just go and sleep for another 10 days. Goodbye, TikTok. I won't see you another 10 days. Okay, what's wrong with me? I need help.
You know, I'm kind of doing ASMR on my account with my cucumber.
Yeah, and you're also doing it on your phone as well because I can hear you.
Oh, I see you below me. Everybody wave right now.
Wave at me, children. And also, wave up. There we go.
Hello.
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 Hello. Oh, I legit see you
You're
again.
waiting for me to fall. I know you are.
Well, I am, so. Oh!
You fell, didn't you?
No, I did not. Oh my god, you're getting so close to me.
It would have been funny if you fell like 1 level. That would be so funny. And then missed the level.
No, imagine me falling on the last jump.
The last jump of the actual thing. I feel so bad. I'll be like, oh my god, Lily, I feel so bad for you. Like, what the hell?
To show the world your pain. Wait, can you stop? Can you stop? Can you stop? Because I'm going to shove a cucumber in my mouth.
No. That noise, though.
My viewers have the best ASMR in the world.
Yeah, you really did. You gave me the best ASMR. Oh, hi, Lo.
No.
Yes. Oh, bruh.
No. No, 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 no. Re.
Oh my god! No. Yes!
Oh my god.
Oh, hi, Lil. Okay, I need help.
Now's my time to shove in another cucumber in my mouth.
If I had food right now, I think I would have ate it all by now. Like, bruh.
I wish you did. You'll be way more distracted.
More video. I'm sorry that I haven't uploaded recently because, A, I'm tired.
B, she's working on a mini movie. Watch out for that. It's gonna be good.
Yeah.
Don't watch it at midnight, you're gonna scream. No kidding.
Yeah. Because she's seen it.
Yeah, I've seen it. I have been helping her edit it. I have been helping her get more ideas. She's been doing loads of poems in it, and it's gonna be scary.
That's me in the credits. Everything was done by nearly sometime.
Oh my god. Honestly though, it's gonna take quite a while, so just watch out for it, and that's probably why she's been posting less. By the way, this is her voice reveal.
Yay.
Not mine. Everybody.
Bruh. Okay, you finish your sentence first. I'll go to mine.
No, mine's not very important.
Okay, yes, I'm the girl. Don't ask why my character's a boy because there's loads and loads and loads.
Oh, I better have a break before I die. One wrong move and I'm gonna die.
You should wait to get your health up, mate.
Yeah, it's on the red level.
I'm on the red level. Huh, funny. Why does the red do this to us? What the hell?
I did it! We did it! I did
Oh my
it!
god.
I did it!
Wait.
Yay!
I need to wait.
Lols.
Oh my god, I literally need to wait right now. Like,
It's
bruh.
because of all the lasers, isn't it?
I need to wait for ages.
Just wait until it gets to yellow and then carry on.
I died.
Oh.
My luck has just turned around. I'm ending the recording.
Yep.
Poof.
I'm on purple, by the way. Oh, never mind, now I'm on purple.
Yeah, you can just finish that and then you can just say, yeah, I clearly won, so.
Yeah, guys, I clearly won. Like, I don't even have to race anymore. Dang it, I fell.
To the bottom? No, you haven't. Not to the bottom.
No.
The green.
No, I just fell and landed on purple again. You'll see why when you look at my video. Yes, you will see. Like this video if you want to see more of us racing. Maybe in normal Tower of Hell, maybe in Tower of Hell Pro, maybe in this game again, because
like, why not? This game is easy when you're not racing. And funny to watch us suffer. I think we'll probably record again soon. I mean, like, Lily will, because I've got so many fails right now. I literally have,
the dance floor. Me, the dance floor. Last stage. Last stage. Oh my god, nearly finished in 9 minutes.
God damn.
It falls all the way down to the bottom again.
You rages.
Quits. You. I won. You won the green. After I've quit, I won. Don't fall now,
Wait,
Lily.
Lil.
Yes.
Should we record on Free the Facility? Because that would be really funny. know what? You can join me.
Yes, I did it! I did it. Anyways, guys, that's it for today's video. We're gonna